Back with an update we're tracking from JNK, and Zeenat will be joining us in just a bit to take us through more details. An army vehicle came under attack. It was targeted by terrorists, and this took place at a bridge in Kaimur. Now, the ID blast by these terrorists between Yaripora and Kaimur Road in Kulgam district is the location that is being communicated to us. No injury or damage has been reported so far, and the area has been cordoned off. Searches have been launched as more details are still awaited. Zeenat is live with us now. Zeenat, an army vehicle was the target by these terrorists. What's the current situation?
See, as of now, cordon and search operation have been launched by Kulgam police along with Indian Army in Vanpu and the adjoining areas of Kulgam district of South Kashmir. The terrorist trigger off an IED at Vanpu bridge, and the IED was planted under the bridge, the culvert, but somehow there was no casualty or the injury that was reported from the place. The traffic was halted for some time on National Highway, but now that has also been resumed. But yes, we do see that such kind of instance when Republic Day, or for that matter Independence Day, any such national festival is around the corner, we do see the terrorists trying to show their presence by disturbing peace or targeting security forces or the civilians. Although we are seeing the Jammu Kashmir police along with the Indian Army quite alert when it comes to maintaining peace on ground. We are seeing the checking as well as the Naka points have been increased in the Kashmir Valley, because this is the second IED in the last 3 days when the terrorists tried to target the security forces using IED, because just 2 days back there was an IED. The grenade was recovered from the cooker in downtown area of Srinagar, the Nauhata, but somehow the forces were able to detect it, and later that too was diffused. In the morning today in Kamarwari, a bag was found, but the bag was empty. But there also in downtown, the cordon and search operation was launched by Jammu and Kashmir police. We are seeing the terrorists trying their best to disturb the peace on ground, but as of now, as far as the Kulgam incident is concerned, no injury or property damage has been reported from Kulgam of South Kashmir.
So yet another terror plot which has been thwarted by our forces with this IED that was planted under a bridge. Zeenat reporting on that. Thank you, Zeenat, for getting us those details.